you ever thought about the saying, eyes are the windows to the soul? Well, today we're going to dive deep into how you can keep those windows crystal clear and healthy. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's jump right into it. Did you know that certain herbs can help protect your eyes and even repair vision? That's right. Today we're going to share with you our top 10 picks for the most effective herbs that promote eye health. So grab a notebook and get ready to take some notes. First up on our list is grapeseed extract. This immune-boosting herb not only improves circulation, but also strengthens your retina. It's easy to incorporate into your diet. Just add it to your smoothies or salads. Next, we have milk thistle. Known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, this herb is usually used to detoxify the liver. But did you know it's also great for your vision? You can find milk thistle in supplement form at your local health store. Indian gooseberry or amla is a powerful remedy for improving vision. These berries can be consumed fresh or in powder form, and they make a great addition to your morning porridge or smoothie. Bilberry is one of the most beneficial herbs for eyesight. It's commonly used for treating cataracts and conditions in the retina. Try them fresh or in supplement form for the best results. Ginkgo biloba is an antioxidant that protects nerve cells and improves blood flow to the retina. It's especially beneficial for glaucoma patients. This herb can be taken as a tea or in capsule form. Our next herb, coleus, is known to improve vision and is particularly beneficial for glaucoma patients. Coleus can be consumed as a tea or used in salads. Dandelion leaves may seem like an unusual choice, but they're packed with eye-protecting nutrients. Dandelion leaves are rich in antioxidants and vitamin A, which is crucial for good vision. You can use them in salads or brew them into a refreshing tea. Moving on to turmeric, this golden spice is not just for curries. It's also a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It's especially good for preventing macular degeneration and cataracts. You can add it to your meals or drink it as a warm turmeric latte. Marigold is another herb that's great for your eyes. It contains two compounds, lutein and zeaxanthin, which are known for their eye health benefits. Marigold can be steeped into a tea or taken as a supplement. Last but definitely not least, we have green tea. Packed with antioxidants, it helps protect your eyes from diseases like glaucoma. You can enjoy it as a warm cup of tea or even use cooled green tea bags as a soothing eye compress. There you have it, 10 amazing herbs that promote eye health and improve your vision. Remember, the best way to incorporate these herbs is to make them a part of your daily routine. Start small, try one or two, and see how you feel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We'd love to hear which herb you're excited to try, so drop us a comment below. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more health tips and tricks. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in our next video.